Dona Joaninha or Estrada de Ferro Sorocabana 6 is a steam locomotive wheel arrangement that is now on static display in Guarulhos, Brazil. Constructed in 1940, it was used to move sugarcane across Brazil until the 1960s. A scrap dealer purchased it around 1976, and it was then put on static display around 2000. After falling into disrepair, it was restored in 2020. It was the second locomotive constructed by João Botin of Botin and Filhos. It was built around the chassis, wheels, and steam pipes of an EFS locomotive, with a new boiler, water tank, cabin, rear bogie, and firewood bunker, assembled in a workshop at Usina Monte Alegre. It used a 1-meter gauge and weighed 150 tons, with a pulling capacity of 1,300 tons. It was named Dona Joaninha after Dona Joana Morganti, who owned the workshop. It was inaugurated in January 1940. The locomotive was used to move sugarcane on the Usamo-Tamoio Railroad, which ended at the Tamoio station near São Carlos. It was in use until the line closed in the mid-1960s. After the line closed, the locomotive was kept on the railroad's premises until around 1976, when it was purchased by a scrap dealer based in Guarulhos. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.